Hi all, you are on the channel Eric the Hiking, and today we are decided to take a walk through the expanses of the county of Bedfordshire. Our hike started from the Marston Vale forest centre. This centre takes care of the trees and plants them. A wind turbine can be seen nearby. The height of this turbine is 120 meters. It was built in 2014 and it is visible even if you are far away in the forest. It supplies power to the forest centre and the rest goes to the national grid, which is enough to power more than 1000 homes. The park contains several lakes, including the large Stewartby Lake and extensive wetlands. This lake is 287 acres and is one of the habitats for the wildlife species. Stewartby is a model village in Bedfordshire, originally built for the workers of the London Brick Company. Stewartby Village Hall was built in 1929 in memory of those who died in the First World War. Also on the way you can see the Rookery South Energy Recovery Facility. It processes non-recyclable residual waste to generate electricity. The next point we visited was the ruined Houghton House, built in 17th century. This listed building is located above the surrounding countryside, with the great views. The return path of the campaign ran through Ampthill Park. The park has everything you need, and you can have a good bite to eat. There are also many different fields for different sports. Now we are going through a cricket field. Ampthill Park was open to the public after World War II and has historical memorials. In general, we really like the park because of its spacious views, and I can also note that there are many different trees here. Another unusual place, a vehicle test center. One of the largest car testing centers in Europe. In general, this how was our hike. Thank you all for the views and likes. See you soon.